Hi, it's BK Digital Healthcare Digest, and let's talk about the latest news from the healthcare industry. First of all, CMS made requirements for telehealth to be more accessible for seniors in Medicare Advantage plans. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services released additions to its rule to provide seniors, especially those who are living in rural areas, with available and accessible healthcare services. It will motivate payers to provide people with Medicare-based plans to add these services to a package. New regulations will also increase the significance of patient experience and access measures on star rating of health plans, as they will directly affect plans' ratings. According to CMS Administrator Seema Verma, these changes are part of institutions' effort to advance telehealth. The product of Google and Apple's unprecedented collaboration, Contact Tracing API for the Pandemic, goes live. In April, companies decided to join efforts to fighting COVID-19. At the end of May, they released the first component of their API. It's called Exposure Notifications and it's Bluetooth-based. People with iOS or Android devices should opt in to enable its functionality and contribute to public health data collection. According to corporations, the component doesn't collect geolocation data. Users can also decide whether or not to transfer the info about their positive diagnosis to the public health organizations. Sweden will be using drones within their emergency care units. The company behind Sweden's 112 emergency number SOS alarm will use drones to deliver automated external defibrillators for cardiac arrests in people out of the hospital. The latest expanded phase of research collaboration between SOS Alarm, the Center of Resuscitation Science at Karolinska Institute, and Everdrone, a software company, begins in June and ends in September. Drones will cover the area with roughly 80,000 people and complement existing ambulance teams. Using GPS technology and advanced cameras, they will fly to the scene where the OHCA happened. Hopefully, it will help Sweden to fix scary statistics. Out of 10 OHCA incidents reported, only one will not end up fatal. Homage, a caregiving startup from Singapore, launches a new service for telehealth, home medical visits, and medication delivery. The service is called Homage Health, and the startup released it as an addition to their main services, matching families and caregivers. Now, the users of Homage Health can, for example, get help in treating common conditions like cold and receive speech therapy through teleconsultations. Homage doctors can give reports about baseline med assessment to people's primary care physicians. They accelerated the launch of at-home online services due to the pandemic, as lots of their clients were senior people with pre-existing conditions who stayed without care in the lockdown. That's it for today. Until the next time.